Good morning, everybody. We are in social studies. It is May 7th and it's Thursday. So, for your opening, you're going to read the test day slide. We're going to go over a couple things. For your mini lesson, you should be watching this video. And for your work period, you guys are going to take a common assessment retake. Okay? And I'll show you guys how to do that. So, this says yesterday we took our Australia Common Assessment. If you have not taken it, use the code below. So I'm going to put a code right here. If you have not taken the common assessment, you can use that code to take it. Please take it today. Now, a lot of you guys have already taken it. That's great. If you've already taken it, you're going to click activity, click quiz, and you're going to find your Australia Common Assessment retake. These are going to only be the questions that you missed. Miss Rodriguez made them personal for all of you. So I'm going to scroll down here. Look, has all your names. You will only be able to see your name. Look, it has a little lock and key, meaning that it's only for each of you. It only has the questions that you missed, so you can redo it and get better scores, okay? I'd also, in this video, like to do a special shout out to Sharon because she got the highest grade on the Common Assessment in Social Studies. She rocked it out. Thank you so much, Sharon. So I want you guys to make sure you're going in and taking that test, okay? Taking the little quiz to make sure you're getting that better grade. Thank you guys.